avocado lovers.
Avocado lovers, wow. Salad.
2 potato wedges.
Potatoes.
And then there's a balsamic.
Oh yeah,
Balsamic dressing.
that's right. Okay.
Okay.
Healthy. Look at that.
What's that? Cheese, steak, avocado,
That
tomato, I think.
Yum. You can get it with chips if you want, but we like the salad, so yep. Anyways, okay. It's so good. You got a potato here. So good. The potatoes is a baked kind of potato. It's not really seasoned, so you know there's not no over salted, or it's really healthy sandwich. So good. So if you want some good sandwiches with chips or salad, and also they have smoothies, desserts, coffees, go check out Spera on Yonge Street. They're so delicious and such nice people. Please go and support these local businesses. Yeah, we love to go there. So
And free parking.
oh yeah, and free parking.
So